Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chef Rambo, and here is my boyfriend James. And babe, tell them what we're eating today.
We eating the biggest cookie you ever seen in your goddamn
Look
life.
at this, guys.
That big boy. I'm sorry. I'm trying not to blush, but this might be my most excited video right here.
And then we're gonna have some ice cold milk, literally with ice on the side to dip our cookie in. Do y'all like my hair? Shout out to my hairstylist, Jazzy. Very cute. Color on point. Yes.
Let's go ahead and put that milk in there, buddy. Fill up our little glass.
Ooh, keep going. Look at that milk, y'all. All right.
All right.
Should we do a little bit more, or is that enough? Okay.
We can do a little bit.
A little bit more, just for y'all.
It's my GP, you feel me? Oh. There we go.
Let's get into it, you guys. This is a pretty big cookie, and we're gonna try to eat this cookie.
Hold this way.
Okay. Hold it under
All
like,
right.
yeah. Perfect. And then hand me that.
Nah, hold this other side. Boom.
The cookie's gonna break. You have to secure it. Look at it. This mug is gonna break. Center the milk.
I got it. Boom. We're gonna dip it.
I don't know if this is gonna work, y'all.
Too big to dip.
We're gonna have to split it. Here, you take the first
We're just
bite.
gonna bite it.
Oh,
Come on.
Take a bite.
Hold it. Silly cookie.
Should we rip it? No?
We're gonna rip it when it gets smaller.
It's very good.
Extra greedy. That's what we're gonna do.
That looks so good.
Ugh.
I look good. I want some milk. Oh my gosh. Look at the cookie, y'all. It's still holding on though.
Break a piece off.
Look, it's falling.
It's gonna break. We're gonna sit it down. Whew. That cookie's silly. Silly. It's about to be messy, but we're gonna take care of it. It's a fat boy's motherfucking heaven right here.
It's actually really good.
It is. Silly.
The milk just makes it taste so much better, and you have to have ice in the milk.
Oh.
Drip, drip.
Ew. I can't believe I'm eating this right now, y'all. I ain't gonna lie.
So tell them how we made it. Like, how did you make this?
Big Superman bite. So what I did was, give me a second. Let me enjoy this. Let me enjoy these bites. All right. So I took the pizza pan and I took me a roll of cookie dough. Put it on the pizza pan. You spread it out like you making like the shape of a push. Damn. The shape. My mind on some freaky shit. Give me a second. That's how you know I'm happy, goddammit. But you spread it out on a pizza sheet, little pizza pan, like a shape of a pizza. You put it in the oven. Wham! But you got to make sure you flatten it out, the whole roll. Flatten it out into a circle, and then voila, you got the biggest cookie ever.
It looks like a bird.
It really looked like the United States. It looks like the United States.
Look at this. Like, what?
Ooh, I got a piece on my arm. Philly.
I'm getting full.
Off a cookie. Getting full off a cookie.
I am. I want to drink some milk. Hold on. The kids gonna have to eat this.
We still got that much left. It might be icy.
I want to have a dip with me.
Have a dip together. We're gonna be dipping buddies. Come on, let's dip together. Ugh.
I think I'm done. I can't eat no more.
She tapping out, y'all. She tapping out.
You about to keep going?
Nah, I'm about to tap out too. They about to make me look extra greedy.
Finish your piece though.
I know.
Sorry guys, I do not have a huge appetite. And I cannot eat that much sweets. Now if this was pizza, I'd probably clear the whole fucking, the whole fucking box. But yeah, this is too much cookie. Be careful. That milk is good. It tastes so much better with the ice.
Woo, shit. All right, y'all. I think that's all we got.
Bye.
Let's take one more.
Okay, let's take one more bite. One more dip.
Good job.
Bye,
Peace out.
y'all.